In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side wiper arm on your Dodge Ram, located right at the base of your windshield. Using a small pocket screwdriver, we're going to come up to this little tab right here on the top, and we're going to pry that up. And once that's free, you can hold that up with one hand or one finger, and that is the lock tab holding the arm to the transmission shaft here. Lift up and wiggle this up and off, and release the lock. Once you have this off, we can go ahead and remove the wiper blade. I'm going to pop this up and open. Go ahead and slide the wiper blade off. Use the hook end here to attach to your wiper blade of choice. I'll lock that in, snap that on. Now at this point here, we're going to go ahead and fold out the bottom, bring out that lock tab, and we want to line this up. Press it down onto the splines, and what we're going to do is slowly lower this down. You can see that our wiper blade is too high. So what we're going to do is lift up on that lock tab, flip this back up, lift it, and just turn it down a little bit on the splines. And we try that again until we can find the appropriate location. Right there looks good. Push it down, make sure your lock tab is in the down position, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.